Hello! In this video, we'll see how to connect and configure our mini Wi-Fi controller. To do this, we'll follow the diagram below to identify the connections. On the left-hand side, we have the connections for the weekend reader and the 12-volt DC input power supply. On the right-hand side, we have the option of connecting a door sensor that will let us know if our door is open or closed via the app, the connection for an exit button to force direct opening, and we can also find the direct output to the 12-volt DC door opener and an optional output to connect our alarm device. If our door opener is alternating current or we have an automatic door and we need a potential-free relay contact, we'll have to open the controller and see the configuration of the jumpers as they come by default. In this position, the relay output behaves as a 12-volt DC direct power supply output to the door opener. If we leave a single jumper between 3 and 1, it will behave like a relay with a potential-free dry contact. This will allow us to take the contact to the input of the motor that opens the automatic door to wire door openers with inverted operation or normal operation but with 12-volt AC or higher consumption using an independent source. Next, we see the features of the mini Wi-Fi controller, such as remote management through the TUYA application, local management using MasterCard, or the included infrared remote. We can also see the number of users it can store and the compatible devices it can be installed with. Finally, we will see different installation diagrams depending on the type of Wigan-connected reader or keypad and the type of door opener. In the first diagram, we see the installation of the controller together with our Wigan-resistant or MIFARE readers or keypads, with a normally functioning 12-volt DC door release. In the following diagram, we see how the mini Wi-Fi controller is installed together with our CityLine Wigan readers with 12-volt AC door release. So internally, we have had to configure the controller with the jumpers in this position. Once we have everything wired up, we will power up the controller and check that it is working by registering a card or code using the infrared remote control or the app. That's all. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.